Hi students, in the first class we did comparison of objects. Do you remember these two friends? Pinky and Whitey. How we can compare them? Pinky is bigger than Whitey. How? Pinky is bigger than Whitey. The same idea we can express in another way. Whitey is smaller than Pinky. Isn't it? Both are same. Pinky is bigger than Whitey or Whitey is smaller than Pinky. One more example. Now all of you stand up. Hurry up. All of you stand up. Then go and stand nearby your mother. Okay. Now we are going to compare you and your mother in your size. What we can say? Your mother is bigger than you. Isn't it? Your mother is bigger than you. The same idea we can say that you are smaller than your mother. Correct? You are smaller than your mother. That is the one idea we can express in two ways. By using bigger and smaller. Now we studied counting numbers from 1 to 9. So today we can compare our numbers. Okay. I have one pencil here and group of two pencils here. So tell me how we can compare. Yes. This 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. The same idea we can express as 2 is greater than 1. I am going to write both the ideas. Smaller than by using smaller than and by using bigger than or by using less than or greater than. How we compared 1 and 2. First we compared 1 and 2. Then how we can say 1 is correct less than 2. The same idea we can write as 2 is greater than 1. Okay. Again, compare 1 and 3. Compare 1 and 3. Here 1 and 3. So, what we can say? 1 is less than 3. 1 is less than 3. First statement. 1 is less than 3. Now, if we compare 3 and 1, both are same. 3 and 1, what we can say? 3 is greater than 1. Correct. 3 is greater than 1. Both are same. We said the same statement in two ways. But always writing this statement is not so fair. So what we will do? We will use two symbols to express this idea. While we send messages through mobiles, we use so many symbols. Smiley, thumbs up, super symbol, isn't it? So here also in maths we will use two symbols to express less than and greater than. All of you know one is like this. This one is the less than symbol and this is greater than symbol. They are not same. They are twins. We can say they are twins because some slight difference is there. Okay. So look and explain. I can explain this less than symbol. To remember less than symbol, just you look at the spelling of less than symbol. L-E-S-S, less than. Then if we rub this ESS, you will get the same symbol. Okay, the less than symbol is this one. Then its opposite, greater than symbol. One more specialty, this less than symbol always points to the left side and greater than symbol always points to right side. Okay, now tell me how you can rewrite this statement by using this less than symbol. How you can rewrite this statement by using this less than symbol. Look, here we compared 1 and 2. So how you can write 1 less than 2. Here we compared 1 and 3. So how you can write, instead of writing this statement, we can use this less than symbol, and how you can 1 less than 3. Correct. Now look at here. This is our greater than symbol. How you can rewrite this greater than by this symbol? Here we compared 2 and 1. So 2 greater than 1. No need to write this. We can, if we use the symbol, it's understood. How you can read this? 2 is greater than 1. Here we compare 3 and 1. So how you can write by using symbol? Yes, 3 greater than 1. Do you notice? Everywhere when we use less than and greater than symbol, the smaller number always comes to its pointed closed side and bigger number always comes to its open side. Here also this is greater than symbol, the bigger number comes its open side and smaller number comes near to its pointed side. Okay, so one more example we can compare. Here some flower vases are there and we can count and write how many flowers are there. So first, in the first flower vase only one flower, in the second flower vase 2 flowers, third represented by 3, 4 flowers represented by 4. Okay, now we can compare 1 and 2 first. 1 and 2. First I told about 1. So which symbol we can use here? Yes, 1 is smaller than, less than symbol we can use here. How we can read this? 1 is less than 2. Correct. If we compare 2 and 3, 2 and 3, what we can say? 2 is smaller than 3. If we compare 2 and 3, we can say that 2 is smaller than 3. How we can write by using less than symbol? 2 is less than 3 or 2 is smaller than 3. Okay. Now you compare 3 and 2. Now you compare 3 and 2. What we can say? If we compare 3 and 2, what we can say? 3 is more than 2. Isn't it? 3 is more than 2. How we can use? How we can write by using greater than symbol? 3 is greater than 2. These two are same. Isn't it? One we said by using less than symbol and the other we use greater than symbol. Is it clear? Okay. Now I will give one trick to identify these two symbols, less than symbol and greater than symbol. To all of you hold your hands like this. Okay. This is your left hand and this is your right hand. We write with our right hand normally. So left hand, right hand. Can you see the symbols here? Yes. In your left hand, our less than symbol is there. In our left hand, less than symbol is there. And in your right hand, greater than symbol is there. Okay. So don't forget these two. They are entirely different meaning. Less than symbol, to identify or to remember less than symbol, you can look at your left hand here. Then to remember greater than symbol, you can look at your right side. Okay. Then one more important point, always remember the bigger number always comes to its open side and smaller number always comes to its closed side. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.